It's Tie-Dye Tuesday. This week we'll be making a Grateful Dead lightning bolt. Take a shirt that's been soaked in soda ash and spun out in a washing machine. The shirt will be slightly damp. Draw a lightning bolt on the front of the shirt with a washable marker. It's actually very helpful to draw the image on both sides of the shirt, as we will see later in this video. Carefully pleat along one of the lines, in this case the right side if you're looking at the shirt. Try to make the line as straight as possible and bind. In this tutorial we will go with a rainbow bolt and the rest of the shirt being black, so we will leave some of the outer parts of the shirt unbound. For the other side of the bolt, some tips at the bottom of the bolt are formed off the shirt, so we can easily pleat along that line and bind. The rest of the line can now be pleated. If you're having troubles at this point, it's okay to use tiny scrunches as well. At this point, it will be kind of difficult to get a straight line after pleating and/or scrunching. For this, we will just try to make sure the pleats and scrunches form a semblance of the original image. To keep the shirt from folding in on itself, we'll use something rigid to move and flip the piece. In this case, scrap pieces of cardboard. Time to dye. First, we will dye the outer edges of the bolt with black. Every so often, be sure to smush the black in with a towel. This helps to stop the spread and make sure we're getting the dye all the way into the fabric. Because most of the shirt will be black, we'll make a fairly thick line for the outer edges. Next, it's time to add color to the bolt. Use any color you want, but for this video we'll go with the 6-color rainbow. Starting at the top of the bolt, apply yellow and smush. Next, add orange and smush. And then repeat these steps until the bolt is fully colored. Now add black to the outside of the shirt. Be careful not to oversaturate into the bolt once you get to the original black line. Flip your shirt. At this point, it would have been very helpful to have drawn the bolt on both sides of the shirt. As you can see, the dye has penetrated the fabric fairly well, but having that guideline would have been a blessing. As it stands, we'll just make an educated guess as to where the perimeter of the bolt should go. Basically, where the color ends is where we will apply the black. Once finished with the edges of the bolt, we will add the colors. For this part, we can just apply the same color in sections as you see them from this side. No need to smush in the dye, since most of it's already been added to the other side. After filling the bolt with color, we can carefully add black to the rest of the shirt and call it a day. Let your shirt sit in 70 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours. Once cured, we can open the shirt and throw it in a washing machine for 2 cold cycles, 1 hot cycle, and then let it hang dry. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're looking for something a little easier, but still an awesome design, check out this playlist. For all of your tie-dye apparel needs, check out www.dirtyhippielaundry.com. Thanks again. See y'all next week.